Ka sorkar jela hak arpusau terik jeliu, kalawan rak biang ya kakong Rosita Mary Kurbah IAS, kum ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District, hadin bakala syapen kenria na ka district, namar ka Model Code of Conduct, ha kaniki election Lok Sabha ka baladam. Ya kakong Kurbah lapen kenria ha ubenai rempang menta usnam, na ka Office DC, hashwa ka election Lok Sabha, batwan rak bujli ha ka jaka jongka da USC Sadhu. Hadian balak pengenria kam lathong ya kakom Kurbah kum ka Secretary Katanat Community and Rural Development, Fisheries etc. Katba ya USC Sadhu IAS mentala pengenria bathong kum u Secretary Katanat Community and Rural Development Department, Fisheries Department, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, but Water Resources Department, but kum u Director Katanat Community and Rural Development. Katba UE Baranwal IAS Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills District Klerian ula syak penkenria kum Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy District Nongpo. Ha kajuk kupor US Awasti IAS Deputy Commissioner South Garo Hills District Bakmara ula syak penkenria kum Deputy Commissioner ke East Giant Hills District Klerian. Nalor kata pilot Armarak MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner balarim tam ka South Garo Hills District Bakmara un Shimti kum Deputy Commissioner South Garo Hills District Bakmara.